just what we can see. But there's a tree outside with our names carved in. Tomorrow we will swing like ornaments to our sins. But I cannot believe all the dust beneath your nails.